Welcome to another SailfishOS app podcast, and this time around I want to show you a nice 9-gag client for SailfishOS called LLs GagBook. This is basically my version of GagBook. There is another version of GagBook available in the warehouse, and this one is an older version, slightly outdated, does not support video, for example, or the new HTTPS of 9gag. So basically this old version does not work. So download LLs GagBook if you want a nice 9gag client, an unofficial 9gag client, of course. And if you like this app, rate it, give a comment. And yeah, this is where you can get it from, and this is the app itself. As you can see here, it by default shows the category hot, and you can see the hottest images and videos on 9gag. If you see a GIF, that means it is an animated or a video file basically, so you can just simply tap on it and it will start playback of the file. In this case, a very funny video of a very long chat message that someone received and is reading right now. And yeah, there's of course the option to download stuff, like if you find some very interesting funny quote or a funny video or a funny image that you want to save, you can click on save here. It will just simply download the stuff. And of course, if there is some question in there or some very interesting stuff you want to discuss stuff with, there is a discuss button here. You can click on this and you can see the comments underneath. In this case, no comment underneath this video, for example. No comment, my luck basically. But if there are some comments, you can comment on them. If you have, if you're logged in, because there's of course the option to log in as well. You can click here on settings, and then you can go and sign in with 9gag. And if you log in on 9gag, if you have a 9gag account, you can simply upvote or downvote images as well, rate them basically, the posts. And of course you have a button with the word, which basically means open this up in the web browser. So if you find something that does not work very good, for example, what might be a little bit problematic are these long posts, just like this one here. You can see click to see full image, and then you get a preview of the full image, which is a long, very long post, as you can see here. And you can try to zoom in, but let me try to zoom in, but you can see the quality is not very good. So the best for those kind of posts, if they are so long, is just really open this up in the web browser. And the web browser, let the web browser handle this kind of thing, because he is better in handling such long posts. And usually this allows you then to read the whole long post. It will take a while to load, I guess. And as you can see here, this is more optimized than for the web browser. You can see you can read the whole long post. You can see I can scroll down like crazy. So this is one option. And of course, as you can see here, if you have it minimized, it shows you the last post. You can go to the next post and see it here. You can also refresh if you like to. So this works also pretty fine if you want to have it on home screen, search and surf on home screen without opening up the application itself. And you can see here, if you open it up, it will go directly to the last image that you basically had opened in your multitasking view. Of course, you can swipe to the right to go to another category, just like, for example, trending, fresh, only GIFs, cute, geeky, cosplay, and so on. Let's go to geeky, for example, and arrow, transferring, blah, does not work. Let's go to GIF. This works, as you can see here. So you can have some nice little GIFs or video files, basically, short videos that you can see here. And of course, this also works in landscape mode. So if I go to landscape mode, you can see the video is a little bit bigger then, and also very handy if you like to take a look at some interesting videos. So yeah, this is basically the 9gag client, LLs GagBook, that you can just simply, let's go to meme. Just does not work. So some categories seem to be outdated. Some girl category. If you like this, you can also scroll through this, of course. And yeah, this is basically the 9gag client, and you can refresh, of course. You can go to GagBook, about GagBook. You can download the source if you want to improve the source code, because it's not basically, you can see the original author here. You can see the Sailfish port done by this guy here, and I'm the guy that just simply added video support and added support for HTTPS, basically changed the URL for getting the streams and such. So if you'd like to take over the project, want to add some patches, just contact me. You can download the source code. You can go to the source repository here. This is will open up the GitHub repository with my version, the LL GagBook version, and you can just simply add code here, contribute to this code to improve this 9gag client. I think I will serve a little bit more. Take a look at some nice pictures. And yeah, this is everything for this little demonstration. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.